So we just got a new item in store. It's a bag by the company called Soolla, and they're based out of Los Angeles and Santa Monica. And I'm really excited to be carrying these. I've been seeing ads for these everywhere, and they reached out to us to consider us being a stockist. And at first I was kind of like, oh, I don't know if we need these because we carry another bag from Japan called the Dulton. However, with tariffs, I'm not sure if we're actually going to be able to carry this anymore. So they're harder to get. The shipping times are really long. Plus, with, like I mentioned, the added tariffs, the cost for these are a lot. I absolutely love my Dulton, not going to lie, but I'm very excited to be carrying Soollas now. So we're going to do a transfer of all of my art supplies from my Dulton bag into my Soolla bag, and we're going to see how much it can carry.
So this is my Dulton 1 mile canvas tote that we'll be switching everything out of. I'm really, really loving the Soolla brand. Like I mentioned, we're carrying them in store and everyone is really excited about them. It's such a cool tote. It's really well made. Every purchase comes with a set of stickers, but it's the little details that I really appreciate the most. Starting with this stitching that says "You do you" on the inside. I know for me, I will never see that stitching because I'm always going to have it filled with stuff. But here I am digging through the pockets. Would you believe that they have 30 pockets in this bag? I didn't count it. That's what they say in their marketing material and on the packaging. But I believe it. There's a lot of pockets on this thing. And I'm going to find a way to fill every single one of them. I've just got so much stuff. And I like having options and being able to carry everything with me. So we'll talk about some of the features of this bag that I love that really speak to me and my particular needs. So the first thing is it can fit a lot of journals upright. Like it'll fit an A5. Here I am with my Wanderlust passport. I'm going to shove a few of them in here, but that's an A5 journal and it fits upright and I can stack a bunch of them in here. So that is already a win for me. I like that it's open at the top, but it's not as open as the Dulton. See, there's a lack of structure in the Dulton bag. It sort of flops open. Wow, I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff. Oh my God, I'm embarrassed. I'm feeling very vulnerable by you showing. There's like a rogue hair clip in there. Anywho, I really like that the top of the Soolla bag has that sort of stitched band around there. So it kind of keeps things in place, but it adds a little bit of structure. It's a detail that I very much appreciate now that I've been using the bag for a while. I mean, look at how many chonky journals I fit in here. Like, that's a lot of stuff. And we're going to pack it in like a Volkswagen at a circus. When I'm traveling, I tend to want to bring a lot of stuff because it's basically like the Schrodinger's cat, right? If I don't pack the stuff, I'm going to want it and need it. But if I pack it, then I end up not using it. So this is basically just my insurance policy. I carry this with me. I have all of my pens and my film and my journals. And I'm happy carrying all of this with me. Here are my trusty Tombos. I love using my Tombow pens. One of the big struggles is that they're really tall and they're really big, but the Soolla handles that perfectly. They fit right there on the side. Here are all my Matte Hot pens, which are my new current obsession. I love these pens so much. They work on black paper. They work on normal paper. The pigments are so rich and bright. They're really opaque and they layer over each other. To me, it's almost like gouache paint in pen form, but I really, really love these. So naturally, I have to put every single Matte Hop and Pentel Milky Pop pen in a side pocket because you just never know when you're going to need any one of those colors at any moment in time. I did take this bag on a flight recently, and like walking through the airport, I had so many people ask me like, oh my God, do you always use all those pens? Can I see your pens? This is such a fun art tote. Because I mean, let's be real. It looks crazy walking through an airport with a bag like this as your carry-on. Here I am shoving all of my essential mild liners with me. Yes, I do use all of those. Thank you for asking. So you can see how big she's getting. She's getting real chunky. And one of the things that I love, you can kind of see it here, the handles on the Soolla bag are a lot longer than they are in the Dulton. And when you've got a little tote like the Dulton bag that's full, the handles aren't really long enough for you to like hook it onto your shoulder. You're kind of leaving it in the crease of your elbow and holding your arm out at like a 45-degree angle. And that like really, really hurts. It's really hard to carry a heavy bag on your elbow. So I really love that the Soolla has the long handle so you can like hook it on your shoulder, which was how I was able to take it through an airport as my carry-on. Like I just hooked it on my shoulder and it was still really easy to carry even though it was full. I'm making some executive decisions and I'm putting my Sharpie paint pens in this front section. So these Soolla bags were originally created, I think, for like ceramic artists or pottery artists, and each of those little front pockets was designed with the intent of putting like different tools in there, like, you know, palette knives or pottery knives and little sculpting tools. That's also why it's made out of this canvas, so it's 100% washable, machine washable, and you know, if you're using it at the ceramic studio or, you know, futzing around with clay, like you can wash it off of this bag. And I don't really know how it got sort of blown up into all these other art disciplines and stationery included, but I'm so glad that it did because I absolutely love this layout and being able to use all these pockets. Also, I carry all my fountain pen refills in an Altoid tin.
Oh, that's a deep pocket.
And at this point, like I wanted to put it in this outside pocket and I realized that pocket is so deep that I would forget that my pen inks were in there. So I'm taking my Tombow pens, which are nice and tall, and putting them in these side pockets. And I don't know if you can see it, like you can't even see the pens. That's how deep that pocket is. Much appreciated. I like to protect all of my goodies. I don't have to worry about my Tombows catching on anything because they're too tall. And that means there's room for all of my other pens. Like literally these are my other pens. It's a random hodgepodge of Le Pen pigments and click art pens and things that I've gotten from like Daiso. And then my travel pen case goes right back in. Can't forget my clip. Or my glue refills. Like, look at how much I'm fitting in there. My printer. And heaven forbid I forget the bag charms. Not me struggling with these bag charms. There we go. I can do hard things. Between the bag charms, the pens, and the bag itself, this is like thousands of dollars. If I was mugged on the street, I would be like, take my wallet, but leave the Soolla and all of my art supplies behind, because I would cry from the pits of my soul if someone stole this. This is never being left in my car unattended. I mean, come on now.
as you can see, I fit way more in this bag, like way more. And it has longer handles, which I like, so I can put it on my elbow. I can take it around. It looks super cute with my bag charms. So, pretty happy with this. I'm very happy with this. So there you have it. Soolla Bag, love it. We carry them in store, so you can come and grab one. They have lots of fun colors. And as you can tell, it fits a ton. And we didn't even finish using all the pockets. Like, there are more internal pockets in there. This bag is so heavy now because I've filled it with so much stuff I can't even hold in front of the camera. There are so many pockets that we didn't even fill them all, and there is still room for more. So yeah, this is definitely a win in my book. Again, you can get them in store or you can get them online from our shop. And yeah, if you can't end up filling it all, that's okay, because that means you can go and buy more stationery and fill it up.